Second part of how to detoxify the liver naturally mined. As my dear friends of YouTuber are in this opportunity, we will continue talking about how to detoxify our liver with useful and simple juices that will help you feel better. Beet and lemon juice to clean the liver. Ingredients: a large beet, 1 large lemon or 2 small. What to do to prepare it: wash, peel and chop beets. Squeeze the juice from the lemons. Add the lemon juice to the blender next to the beet. Add a little water and process until all ingredients are integrated. Drink the freshly made juice. Grapefruit, lemon, and orange juice, drink to detoxify the liver. Ingredients: 2 peeled and seedless grapefruit, 2 peeled and seedless lemons, a peeled and seedless orange, a teaspoon of olive oil. What to do to prepare it: add all the ingredients to the blender or food processor. Mix and, if necessary, add 1/2 glass of water so it does not get so thick. Drink freshly prepared, preferably on an empty stomach to take better advantage of its properties. Here we give you another recipe with grapefruit. This smoothie cleans the liver, helps detoxify the body and strengthens the lymphatic system. It has no side effects, so it can be consumed daily without health consequences. You will need 2 large grapefruits, 2 cloves of fresh garlic, a piece of fresh ginger root, 4 lemons, 300 mg of filtered distilled water, 2 tablespoons of olive oil in cold. What should you do? First, you must extract the juice from the lemons and grapefruit. Apart, grate the ginger and crush the garlic to extract its juice. In the blender, place the remaining ingredients and add the juices, ginger and garlic. Blend all the ingredients very well and consume it before going to sleep. Orange juice and ginger to detoxify the liver. Ingredients: a cup of freshly squeezed orange juice, a teaspoon of fresh ginger striped, a tablespoon of olive oil. What to do to prepare it? Mix all the ingredients in the blender or food processor. Drink the freshly prepared juice. You can take it before sleeping for 3 nights in a row. In case of deeper cleaning, you can take it for 7 nights in a row. Apple juice to cleanse the liver. Ingredients: ½ kg of apples, ½ lemon, 2 glasses of water. Sweetener. What to do? Wash the apples and peel them with a knife. Cut the apple into pieces and add them to the blender. Add freshly squeezed lemon juice and glasses of water. Process all the ingredients until they are integrated. Take this apple juice on an empty stomach for 7 consecutive days. Carrot juice to purify the liver. Ingredients: 6 carrots, ½ lemon, a small spoonful of ginger, a small spoonful of honey. What to do to prepare it? Peel the carrots and process them in the blender to obtain their juice. Squeeze the lemon and add its juice to the carrot juice. Add the ginger and honey and stir so that everything is completely integrated. Drink fasting for about 7 days in a row to get a good liver cleanse. Cranberry juice. The red ones contain cleansing and detoxifying properties, ideal for cleaning the liver. Its contents of vitamins, minerals, and essential antioxidants make them an ally for good health, since they prevent the organism from many diseases. You will need 2 large red apples, a large green pear, ½ a cup of fresh red cranberries, a stalk of large celery, a small cucumber. What should you do? Mix all the ingredients in the blender without removing the peel. Blend very well and then consume it. You must drink the juice for 5 consecutive days. Dandelion, diuretic and depurative par excellence. The dandelion is very indicated in the hepatic insufficiencies, since it is choleretic and cholagogue at the same time. Its tender leaves can be eaten in salads with oil and lemon. You can also liquefy your leaves and roots, and take 3 tablespoons of this juice before each meal. Milk thistle. Milk thistle contains a substance called sea silt that has the power to regenerate the liver cells. Although it is usual to take it in infusion or in dry extract tablets, the tender and spineless leaves of milk thistle can be added to salads. Soy contains lecithin, which helps the liver to burn fat and reduce cholesterol levels. The lecithin also helps protect the liver cells, preventing the accumulation of fats in it. Aronia, or also known as elderberry aronia juice, possesses high amounts of antioxidants. They exert a protective hepato effect, since they protect the liver from necrosis, decrease the accumulation of cadmium in the liver, and repair liver damage caused by chemicals. Well, my dear friends, I hope that this second part has served you, and all your information needs are completed. If you liked it, do not stop giving it and subscribe to my channel, but the most important thing is that you share it with your friends and family. I wish you a very good weekend full of blessings and sharing with the beings that you love most. A big hug and best wishes for all of you.